PSLE 2022 math question. Study the pattern below. ABACAA, BACAA, BACA, and so on and so forth. If the letter A appears 137 times, what is the greatest possible number of letters in this particular pattern? Now, a pattern must have the same items in each set. Okay, that's very important to note, because some students will go like this: A, B, A, C, A, A. This is one set, which is not true, because if you choose this as one set, the next set must be the same. It's not the same, right? Over here is A, B, A, C, A. Over here is B, A, C, A. So it doesn't even start in the same way. So the pattern that we're looking at is A, B, A, C, A. This is one pattern. A, B, A, C, A. Another one. A, B, A, C, A. Okay, and so on and so forth. Alright, now, in this particular pattern, the letter A appeared 137 times. What is the greatest possible number of letters in this entire pattern? Now, in each group, we notice 1, 2, and 3 letters of A. So, to find the number of complete groups or complete sets, you'll take 137, divide this by 3. Why 3? Because in each set there's 3 letters of A. 137 divided by 3, and that will give you 45 and 2/3, which is just 45 complete sets. Okay, so if you go down the list, there will be a 45th complete set. A, B, A, C, A as well. And in 45 complete sets, how many letters of A are there? In each, there are 3. So 45 multiplied by 3. And you'll get 135 letters of A, which means to say, since there's a total of 137 letters of A, there is another 2 more letters of A in the last set. Okay, so another A, B, A. This is the final A that we can have. Again, we only need 2 more, 1 and 2 more letters of A, right? But the question is asking for the greatest possible number of letters. Alright, so the set goes like this: A, B, A, C, A. This last A, we cannot have it because maximum we can only have is another 2 more A's, which will give you a total of 137 A's. So how many letters are there in total? There are 45 sets. Okay, so this right here was the 45th set. And this is the last incomplete set. So total letters. Okay, this will be 45 sets multiplied by, in each set there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Plus that last incomplete set. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in that incomplete set. 45 times 5, that's 225, plus 4, 229 letters in total. This is the final answer for this question.